Hey, what up, traders? It's TeamWithERVING here. Today I'm gonna record a video of how I made 1,390 pips trading gold. This is an update. Yesterday I made a video trading gold, but I only have 580 pips. So today is an update of how I made 1,090 pips trading gold. So let's get to work. Let me show you how I did this, so hopefully everything makes sense. First of all, guys, so this is how I did it. So I'm using multiple time frame as my system. So multiple time frame coming in here, boom, it told me it was in a sell. Then our sniper entry as well told me that we were in a sell position as well. So when the sniper entry shows up, bingo, we all are hitting hard on this business. Then the big arrow pop in, even our wide multiple time frame arrow also pop in and confirm the sell. Then what else did I get here? I get the stair, which is the last confirmation letting me know that we are officially in a sell position. So, and I did pay attention to my dashboard. So here it is. This is my TWE dashboard in here. So always pay attention to your whatever time frame you're gonna be trading. It's gonna be telling you. But like right now, 1 minute, 5 minutes is doing a pullback already. So yes, it's a good time to enter in a pullback in my opinion. But remember, guys, I'm not giving you any signal. This is just for educational purpose. I'm just showing you how I made 1,390 pips trading gold. So I'm not planning to cash it out. I just gonna maybe move the trailing stop so you can see it. So that's how I did it. And then where did I took my position? So this is how I ended on the trade. I make sure that all the system was on point, which is here it is, your multiple time frame, your sniper entry as well. Then this is how I enter. I just pay attention that those matches. Then what I did was I enter right on the top of it, boom, in there, matching our sniper entry. Then I have, because I knew I was in a sell already, so all I had to do is wait. And then boom, look at what's happening, guys. Look at what's happening right now. So right now we just dropped a 1,378 pips, guys. And I mean, it will go back up. Look, right now it's almost 1,380 pips. Look at that, almost. I'm telling you guys, this is insane. All I have to do, guys, right now I do have that trailing stop. The trailing stop at this present time, it is sitting, let me see how many pips we are securing. We're doing this live anyway. We had 256 pips, which is 2,565. So we can just move it long some. Yeah, that's more than enough. So right now we are securing what? 4,125. Or either I can take those $10,000, those $1,300 in there. That is plenty of cash, guys. That is gonna blow back. It's very straightforward how I trade it, but pay attention, guys. Look at the dashboard. Everything is telling you from 15 minutes to 1 day. Every single time frame is selling, guys. Now look at the difference. The difference right now is the 5 minutes contradicting. It's telling you that 5 minutes is already giving us a pullback. You want to see that pullback? Let me show you, guys. This is very accurate. So tomorrow I'm gonna make another video, guys. Maybe I will do Euro Canadian, some of the trades, so to show you how you're gonna win using our multiple time frame. Let me go to 5 minutes so you can see it. Look at the 5 minute on the dashboard. It's telling you it's bullish. So now I'm gonna prove you the 5 minute is bullish. I mean, it's doing a bullish pullback. It's doing a pullback. All right, ready? Look, you haven't seen it yet, so I haven't shown you anything. All right, let me go ahead and scale the candles, and then we get it there. Look at this. This is what you are seeing here on the 5 minute. 5 minute is telling you from this low here the market is going where? It's going bullish at this present time. It's minor. I told you it's a pullback. What is the overall trend here? What is our multiple time frame letting us know? It's letting us know that we are in a sell position. I did call out this trade, guys, for too long already. Even yesterday I made a video. If you have not watched that video, go back to the video. You will be amazed when I called this trade. I called this trade when the market was sitting right at this blue box in here. Look at that. I think it was somewhere in this candle here. And then we grab all this massive drop. Boom, boom. Look at that. And it's still freaking dropping, guys. It's amazing. Why? Because our multiple time frame is letting us know here that we are also in a sell position. For those that love to trade 1 hour, right? Some of you don't care about 5 minutes. Let me show you what 1 hour is doing. Pay close attention to your dashboard. 1 hour is letting us know here the market is selling. So let's go to 1 hour so you can see it for yourself, right? Look at that. I don't want you to see it. Just pay attention to your dashboard. Dashboard is clearly letting you know, okay, I'm in a sell position, right? Look at that. 1 hour, 4 hours, 30 minutes, 50 minutes telling you we're selling. All right, let's go and see it so you can see it for yourself, because I'm here giving you content. All right, so look at that. We're gonna go there. Ready? All right, let's go. Look at this freaking drop, guys. This is the box that I showed you in a strategy yesterday, guys. No, I think it was on Monday. How to draw this box here is very then straightforward, but it's very powerful, guys. Watch that video. Make sure you guys, before we continue, make sure you do me a favor. Make sure you do subscribe, because it's very important, so you will never ever miss any video from us. Anyway, it's free. It's not gonna cost you anything. All you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe, so you will never ever miss any video. And tomorrow I'm gonna do another video, so please do that, okay? All right, so hopefully you are finding value to this one. Look at the drop here, guys. This is insane. This is what I told you guys yesterday in video. And then we collect all this massive drop. Boom. Look at that one. Look at right now, 1,384. So we secure already 4,200, I think it is, or 100, something like that. But it's there. Whatever it happens, if the market retraces and hit that trailing stop, well, it's fine. But I'm planning to leave this to collect. Yesterday I said it, guys. Hey, let's leave this account and let's try to collect 1,000 pips. Look at the difference today. 1,390 pips, guys. This is insane. So this is how I made 1,390 pips trading gold, guys. It's so damn amazing. Oh my god. Hopefully you guys are finding value, guys. Let's go back to 4 hours so you can see the picture from far away. And look, guys, I'm gonna give you everyone a quick overview of gold. Why I'm trading gold. A lot of traders don't tell you what I'm gonna tell you right now. Let me delete this drawing here. Look at here, guys. Your master trend on this bad boy here is bearish. If you didn't know, well, maybe you didn't know because you don't have the system. Look at here, master trend here is bearish. And look at that, boom. You tell me, it's selling or it's bullish? Of course it's selling. But the thing is that you don't know. Look, and then look at this master trend line, in case you didn't know that master trend line also exists. Look at that. We can put it right there in there. Look at that. One hit can close, third hit, and where's the market heading now? It continue as a sell. So what happens previously, guys, is the market was giving us a pullback. Look at this pullback. This pullback here, guys, was freaking bullish. Look at this one. Boom. It pay you so damn good. But if you don't have our system, then you don't know. Look at this one. When it sell, when it was bullish. Sell when it was bullish. Sell. Look at that one. beautifully, guys. What is the market doing right now? Look at this. Look at the sale. It's telling you in there selling. But make sure you subscribe, so I will give you more on days to come. Let me know in the comments below what kind of video you want me to make, and I will be more than happy to record those videos for you, because I want the world to win, guys. And a lot of people will charge you what I'm giving you here, or either they're gonna, this is what mostly all the people are gonna be doing, guys. They're gonna be showing you back data. Oh, if I would have entered in this buy position, I would have make all these tons of pips. Who give a damn? You need to understand what real time, what is real time doing right now. Market is selling. That's it. I don't care about what happens yesterday. No, show me how I'm gonna make pip for the rest of the evening, tomorrow, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, remainder of the week. That's how you make pips, guys. But this is the evidence. Look at this freaking 1,390 pips, guys. I mean, it's gonna bounce back and forth, so the market is gonna make a retracement, guys. It's gonna retrace back. They will continue next week. So all I can see that for the remainder of the week, guys, market is gonna do a pullback. All right. So yeah, guys. So this is how, to be honest, how I make those 1,390 pips trading the market, guys. Let's go, guys. Make sure you do comment, like, share, and subscribe, so you can see more how I make, you know, tons of pips trading any pairs. I'm gonna be doing this mostly more often, so you can see it. So and the title will be how I made whatever pips it is on trading. For instance, right now it is how I make 1,390 pips trading gold. So you will see it. All right, guys, so thank you so much for coming in. God bless you, and God bless your family and our beautiful nation. Always stay humble, no matter how much success you're gonna find in this business. Remember, knowledge is power, guys. Stay disciplined and do not trade any money that you cannot afford to lose. Always remember that. God bless you, guys. Stay safe. Peace out.